Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros are very large and special animals. The most special feature of rhinos is the large horn on their nose. Some rhinoceros species have up to 2 horns. The skin of rhinoceroses is very thick and hard, like an armor that protects them. Hippo. Hippo has a large body, short and fat legs. They are very heavy, can be heavier than a car. Hippos have a very wide mouth and large teeth, helping them chew grass and leaves. Mule. Mules are hardworking and useful animals in daily life. Mules are medium-sized, smaller than horses but larger than donkeys. Mule ears are long and pointed like donkey ears. Gorillas. Gorillas are very large and have strong muscles. They have long arms and short legs, helping them climb and move easily in the forest. Gorillas have thick black or brown fur, which helps keep their bodies warm. Gorillas are intelligent and gentle animals.